Hello, and welcome to the Lab Tech Report, your source for the latest regulations, discoveries, and news in the laboratory world. I'm your host, Ross, and let's jump into today's topics. Hip replacement surgery is becoming more and more common, yet some patients still develop osteolysis afterwards. A new study looks to identify a 24-hour urine sample for markers related to the development of osteolysis post-surgery. By identifying free deoxypyridinoline, or DPD, they found they were successfully able to predict osteolysis, potentially opening up the door for pre-surgical screenings and a head start on treatment plans. Chest pain is one of the most common reasons for a visit to the emergency room. Typical testing includes ECG and a blood test, measuring the levels of troponin, a protein biomarker for heart damage. A recent study in Sweden found that using high-sensitive troponin T resulted in identifying 5% more MIs. It would not be surprising to see more studies looking into this and perhaps seeing these high-sensitive troponin T tests coming through the lab. Most people are familiar with MRSA, as it has become a significant concern over the recent years. Researchers at Purdue University have developed a compound that is 16 times more potent against antibiotic-resistant pathogens, called F6. Attempts were made to force resistance of F6, but in trials, resistance could not be generated. F6 is non-toxic to humans and is effective against MRSA, Listeria, and other commonly resistant bacterial strains. The next step comes in developing derivatives of F6 to see if they can become even more effective against a broader range of bacteria. Influenza A causes around 500,000 deaths per year. Flu season is fast approaching, and last year, the flu was a little different than normal. The vaccine was sometimes completely ineffective. A new study has focused on the virus-host interactions to develop new therapeutic options. By mutating the viral genome sequence, researchers were able to prevent virus-host binding, slowing the spread of influenza in lung tissue. The hope is to one day develop a specific antiviral medication more effective than current solutions. That's our show. Sources for all topics can be found in the link on the original post. Be sure to chime in the comments section and let us know what you thought. Like our Facebook page for more episodes and lab-related content. We post new episodes every other week. Until next time, later lab rats.